Stop making boring health poster. Today I will show you how to create this high energy pro level design in Canva that actually grabs attention. Let's dive in. Open Canva and then I will choose social media. I'm choosing Instagram posts. First I will drag a ruler here. This is about 33% of this height. I will add a text here and the images here. And then I will change the background, click this background color, and I will choose this light gray. And then go to element. I will use this white fog, okay, here to add white blur here. And then I will add this running woman element. Remove the background, crop it, increase the size, place in the center. And then as I will talk about the benefit of orange fruit, I will add some fruit slice element. I will rotate it like this. And then I will add this orange slice with just splash. Reduce the size. I will place it here to add a splash effect. And duplicate. Rotate. I will place it here. And reduce the size. Now go to position. Let's arrange the position. The woman must be on the front. And the first slice orange must be here. Back to element, I will add some effect here. I will add this illustration of an orange slice. Reduce the size. I will place it here. Duplicate, rotate, and I will place it here. Increase a little. Duplicate again. I will make it balanced. So I will place it here and rotate. I will duplicate this one and drag it here. Now let's add a text. I will type here press, enter, and active. I will change the font to bold font like Futura display. This one. Okay, increase the size and I will reduce the line spacing like that. I'll place it here in the center and I will change the color of the text to this orange. I will reduce a little. And then I will type the second text here. Increase the size and then I will change the font to another font like Montserrat. Or is the medium. I'll reduce the size. I will make it semi-bold. And then I will add the benefit of orange fruit. I'll place it here and make it unbold. And then go to element and choose shape. I will choose this rectangle. I will reduce the corner rounding. I will remove the color. And I will add the stroke about 14 or 15. And I will change the color to this orange. And then I will increase the size. And to add a dynamic movement effect, I will rotate it, make it diagonal. I will increase the size. So it will be out of the box, the page, I mean. And then go to position, layers, and move it here. And then we can reduce the transparency. All right, so now we have it. And then you can also add a disclaimer here. All right, so this is the tutorial. I hope it helps you. See you next video and have fun with Canva.